Hello, everyone, and welcome to the English Practice Podcast. I'm really glad you're here today. If this is your first time listening, this channel is created to help you practice English in a simple, natural, and relaxing way. Every day, we share English lessons that help you improve your listening, build your speaking confidence, and learn useful phrases for real-life conversations. In today's episode, you will practice listening carefully, repeating naturally, and speaking step by step with me. So take a moment, relax, and get ready. Let's begin today's English practice together. Today, we are going to learn an easy daily method to improve your English speaking naturally. This lesson is not about studying difficult grammar. It is not about memorizing long word lists, and it is not about speaking perfectly from the beginning. Today is about building a simple speaking habit that you can use every day. Even if you are busy, even if you feel shy, and even if you only have a few minutes. Many English learners listen a lot. They watch videos, they read books, they understand many words. But when it is time to speak, they suddenly feel stuck. Their mind becomes blank. They know the words, but the words do not come out easily. If this happens to you, you are not lazy. You're not bad at English. You just need a speaking method that trains your mouth, your brain, and your confidence at the same time. So today, I will share a very easy daily method with you. I call it listen, repeat, change, and speak. 4 simple steps. Listen, repeat, change, speak. This method helps you move from passive English to active English. Passive English means you can understand English when you hear it. Active English means you can use English when you need it. And this is what we want. We want English to become something you can use naturally in your daily life. Let's start with step 1. Listen. When you listen to English, do not try to understand every single word. At first, just listen for the main idea. Listen to the sound. Listen to the rhythm. Listen to how the sentence moves. For example, listen carefully to this sentence. I usually start my day with a cup of coffee. Now listen again. I usually start my day with a cup of coffee. This sentence is simple, but it is very useful. You can use it to talk about your morning. You can use it to practice pronunciation. You can use it to build a natural speaking pattern. Now let's go to step 2. Repeat. Repeat after me. I usually start my day with a cup of coffee. Good. Again. I usually start my day with a cup of coffee. One more time, slowly. I usually start my day with a cup of coffee. Very good. When you repeat, do not only repeat the words, try to repeat the feeling. Try to repeat the rhythm. Your goal is not to sound perfect. Your goal is to make English feel familiar in your mouth. Now we move to step 3, change. This is where the sentence becomes yours. We start with the same sentence. I usually start my day with a cup of coffee. Now change one part. I usually start my day with a glass of water. Repeat. I usually start my day with a glass of water. Now change it again. I usually start my day with a short walk. Repeat. I usually start my day with a short walk. Now one more. I usually start my day with 10 minutes of English practice. Repeat. I usually start my day with 10 minutes of English practice. Excellent. This step is very important because you are not just copying English anymore. You are creating your own sentences. You are training your brain to use English flexibly. Now let's go to step 4. Speak. Take the sentence and make it longer. For example, I usually start my day with a cup of coffee. After that, I check my plan for the day. I like quiet mornings because they help me feel calm and focused. Now repeat after me, sentence by sentence. I usually start my day with a cup of coffee. After that, I check my plan for the day. I like quiet mornings because they help me feel calm and focused. Great. Now you can make your own version. Maybe you start your day with tea. Maybe you start your day by checking your phone. Maybe you start your day by preparing breakfast for your family. That is okay. Use your real life. Real life gives you real English. Now let's practice this method with another useful sentence. Listen first. I want to speak English more naturally. Listen again. I want to speak English more naturally. Now repeat. I want to speak English more naturally. Again. I want to speak English more naturally. Now change it. I want to speak English more confidently. Repeat. I want to speak English more confidently. Change it again. I want to speak English more clearly. Repeat. I want to speak English more clearly. One more. I want to speak English without feeling nervous. Repeat. I want to speak English without feeling nervous. Now speak a little more. I want to speak English more naturally. I know I will not become fluent in one day, but I can improve step by step. If I practice a little every day, I will become more confident. Repeat after me. I want to speak English more naturally. I know I will not become fluent in one day, but I can improve step by step. If I practice a little every day, I will become more confident. Well done. This is how natural speaking improves. You listen to a useful sentence, you repeat it, you change it, then you speak with it. Simple, practical, easy to do every day. Now, let's use this method for daily life. Listen. Today is a busy day, but I will do my best. Repeat. Today is a busy day, but I will do my best. Change it. Today is a long day, but I will stay positive. Repeat. Today is a long day, but I will stay positive. Change it again. Today is not easy, but I can handle it. Repeat. Today is not easy, but I can handle it. Now speak. Today is a busy day, but I will do my best. I have many things to finish, so I need to stay focused. I will take one step at a time and keep going. Repeat after me. Today is a busy day, but I will do my best. I have many things to finish, so I need to stay focused. I will take one step at a time and keep going. Excellent. You see, this is not complicated English, but it is natural English. And natural English is what you need for real conversations. You do not need to use long and difficult sentences all the time. You need sentences that help you express your thoughts clearly. Now let's practice talking about feelings. Listen. I feel a little tired today. Repeat. I feel a little tired today. Change it. I feel a little nervous today. Repeat. I feel a little nervous today. Change it again. I feel much better today. Repeat. I feel much better today. Now speak. I feel a little tired today, but I'm okay. I think I just need some rest. After I finish my work, I will relax and go to bed early. Repeat after me. I feel a little tired today, but I'm okay. I think I just need some rest. After I finish my work, I will relax and go to bed early. Good job. When you practice feelings in English, you become more comfortable talking about yourself, and this is very important. Because real conversations are not only about information. They are also about emotions, opinions, and daily experiences. Now let's practice opinions. Listen. I think learning English should be simple and enjoyable. Repeat. I think learning English should be simple and enjoyable. Change it. I think speaking practice should be part of my daily routine. Repeat. I think speaking practice should be part of my daily routine. Change it again. I think small habits can create big results. Repeat. I think small habits can create big results. Now speak. I think small habits can create big results. If I practice English for 5 or 10 minutes every day, I can slowly build confidence. I do not need to rush. I just need to continue. Repeat after me. I think small habits can create big results. If I practice English for 5 or 10 minutes every day, I can slowly build confidence. I do not need to rush. I just need to continue. Very good. Now, let me give you a simple daily routine you can follow. In the morning, choose one sentence. For example, I want to have a good day. Repeat it 3 times, then change it. I want to have a productive day. I want to have a peaceful day. I want to have a successful day. Then speak for 30 seconds. You can say, I want to have a good day. I have some work to do, but I will try to stay calm. I will focus on one task at a time. That is your morning practice. In the afternoon, choose one sentence about what you're doing. For example, I'm taking a short break. Repeat it, change it. I'm taking a short break. I'm drinking some water. I'm checking my messages. I'm preparing for my next task. Then speak for 30 seconds. You can say, I am taking a short break now. I have been working for a few hours, so I need to rest a little. After this, I will continue my work. That is your afternoon practice. In the evening, choose one sentence about your day. For example, today was a good day. Repeat it. Change it. Today was a busy day. Today was a quiet day. Today was a difficult day. Today was a productive day. Then speak for 1 minute. You can say, today was a busy day. I woke up early and finished many tasks. In the afternoon, I felt a little tired, but I kept going. Now I feel proud because I did my best. That is your evening practice. Morning, afternoon, evening. Just a few minutes each time. This is how English becomes part of your life. You do not need to wait until you have a lot of free time. You do not need to sit at a desk for hours. You can practice English while living your normal day. Now let's do one final practice together. Listen. Every day, my English is getting better. Repeat. Every day, my English is getting better. Again. Every day, my English is getting better. Now change it. Every day, my speaking is getting better. Repeat. Every day, my speaking is getting better. Change it again. Every day, I feel more confident in English. Repeat. Every day, I feel more confident in English. Now speak. Every day, my English is getting better. I may still make mistakes, but mistakes are part of learning. I will keep listening, keep repeating, and keep speaking. Step by step, I will speak English more naturally. Repeat after me. Every day, my English is getting better. I may still make mistakes, but mistakes are part of learning. I will keep listening, keep repeating, and keep speaking. Step by step, I will speak English more naturally. Beautiful. Before we finish, remember the method from today. Listen, repeat, change, speak. You can use this method with any sentence. A sentence from this podcast, a sentence from a movie, a sentence from a book, a sentence you hear in daily life. Do not just listen and forget. Use the sentence. Change the sentence, make it yours, speak it out loud. That is how English becomes natural. Thank you for practicing with me today. I hope this lesson helps you build a simple daily habit for English speaking. Remember, you do not need perfect English to start speaking. You only need one sentence, one small practice, one quiet moment, and the courage to continue. Keep listening, keep repeating, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next episode of the English Practice Podcast.